Okay, I got something to tell you, and I'm told I have